multiplication rule. Now, when you are multiplying two, or when you are multiplying values and the base is the same, that's the first rule. All you have to do is to add the powers. For instance, when you have something like 4 to the power 3 times 4 to the power 3. Look at the base is the same. The base is this 4 we have here. So according to the multiplication law or rule of indices, you add the powers or the exponents. So this will give us 4 to the power 3 plus 3, which will give us what? 4 to the power 6. This will be the answer to this question. Or if you are using alphabets, let's say we have something like a to the power 3 times a to the power 7. So the base is the same. This is the same thing as a to the power 3 plus 7, which will give us what? A to the power 10. Alright, so it's as easy as that. Now let's look at the second rule or the second law, which is the division rule. Now when you are dividing values and the base is the same, all you have to do is to subtract the powers. It's like the opposite of the first rule, which is multiplication. For instance, let's say we are given something like we have 6 to the power 4 divide 6 to the power, let's say 7. Okay, now remember the base is the same, which is 6. So this is the same thing as, since the base is the same, this is 6 over 6 to the power 4 and 7, which is 6 to the power 4 minus 7. So our final result will be 6 to the power negative 3. Alright, so that would be the results for this kind of expression. Now another example, let's consider alphabets. Okay, let's say we are given something like a to the power, let's say 5 divide a to the power 3. So this is something as a to the power 5 over a to the power 3. Since the base is the same, you subtract the power. This will be a to the power 5 minus 3, which will give us a to the power 2. That's a squared. Alright, so that's it for the division rule of indices.